Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're taking a seat, quite literally, with the Northroad Oversized camping chair. If you're in the market for the best heavy-duty lawn chair, supporting up to 350 pounds, you're in for a treat.
Let's jump right in. First off, size matters.
This chair boasts ample space, measuring 41.7 by 21.3 by 21.3.
And don't worry about lugging around a heavy load. It weighs in at just 9.15 pounds, making it perfect for any outdoor excursion. Now, let's talk design.
The Northroad chair isn't just a place to park yourself, it's a mobile command center for relaxation. With an additional head storage bag, you can stash your essentials within arm's reach. Plus, there's a handy pocket for your phone and magazines, keeping your hands free for more important tasks, like sipping on a cold drink. Speaking of drinks, this chair has you covered. Literally. With an oversized cup holder and a built-in cooler bag. Your beverages will stay chilled and within reach, no matter where your adventures take you. But let's not forget the most crucial aspect, comfort. The Northroad chair is ergonomically designed to support your body, ensuring you can kick back and relax without a care in the world. The contoured seat and backrest mold to your natural curves, providing unparalleled comfort during those long days outdoors. So, whether you're camping, tailgating, or simply soaking up the sun in your backyard, the Northroad Oversized camping chair is your ticket to relaxation. With its durable construction, convenient features, and unbeatable comfort, it's truly the best heavy-duty lawn chair on the market.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy lounging.